Hello. Good morning everyone. So kanidi ay nga adlaw no. Dili di pa adlaw, kadlawon pa na siya. So sayo kay mi kanami lakaw anak ko na siya educational trip kay na may invitation gikan sa usa sa mga prestigious university sa of course sa USJR. Thank you so much USJR for this opportunity with the grade 10 students. So padung na mi ana niya di mami kaarang sa fun. Batod lang ta sa tong labi-labi no. Salamat kayo part. Oh yeah, okay. Igo ra mi gyatod. Naabot na dai mi diri sa Plaza Independencia og real quick naabot na dai mi sa USJR. Kuno sayop ani 6:03 mi na abot diri. And then pagka tudtod ana gikuha mi atong mga ilang mga kaubanan dito. Yang gipasuod mi sa ilang auditorium which is a very bugnaw jud.
Kutukin sa kultura
o palakiusa. Maayong butag kaira.
maayong butag sa diha Isabel.
Jesus and his life.
And it feels so right. Maybe this time
Love won't end.
campus tour namin sa USJR mga guys. Charot. Pero di may kabati man. Campus tour, gipakita nila ang ilahang mga nagkalain-lain o gipasunday din ka nagkalain-lain nilang mga activities sulod sa ilang eskwelahan. Usa niini ang paghimo og film. Okay, sumotoy lang sample. Dayon na sila diri pakuan sa CPR, chuchu, and then sila diri sa STEM ni ilang mga activities ila sa gi-showcase or gipasundayag po nila ilang mga activities during their kaninga school year. So nasid sila din ay mga team sa STEM sa lubong daghan pa na siya din na. So pasensya na gid guys sa ako ang cellphone no kay kalit lagi na siya itom okay ba na unsa na sa
Ano po, Miss Laura po nito na ng students sa West Marshall. Okay, thank you.
Can I take a video? Okay.
You can manipulate sa lahat ng mga teachers there. So you can find, no, choose any story.
We need to keep our fire and then put our like so we measure when one has to change. So once you boil the sample, you need to serve your sample on top of it. But usually do this for so if this color, if this solution will turn into red, this means that glucose has same sugar. So in this process, we can see precipitates of our so this is our sample. So this experiment again is organic solution. We boil or we first mix 1 milliliter of organic solution and then 3.5 drops of glucose. The first experiment to test whether glucose is a new sugar. And if the sample is different, for example, this is the presence of our glucose molecules. We can try another test also with other sugars and you can also try. So students also try. Once you try,
Here that we make sure the proteins, because of protein of it, we have protein, we have different shapes. So with that, with the help of different medium like vinegar, alcohol, and hot water, din. Kaya ako siya gibuha sa So, what can you see? Asa nakita sa tulog ang mas dali siya combination para takbo yung lahat. Asa mag-alcohol, vinegar, asa man sa kahapon. Yap here na. Mas dali ka diyan ka nito sa alcohol. Because one ang protein sa
Sure.
We're going to do folic acid, or we're going to get
There will be, di siya mabuto. We're just going for sample. Di siya mabuto in a sense. Okay? Then you will be just when
But na,
sige, this is enough. So take note, itakunin siya gamay ito. Sige. So you swirl without the flame. So observe what will happen to the color bars. So what do you think will be the color of our solution? Orange? Sure. Red. This is our first solution, by the way. This is glucose from Benedict solution. So do you think it will have? Will it have?
the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to put our distilled water here. Now we are going to wait.
And stop. Indicator na manaan. So this is malt. We do have the position and we do have also the time. So pwede na siya na ito graph directly. So how does this work? So all I need to do is I just need to check the data that I want to be observed. For example, position and velocity. And then let's say for example I will be doing the digit and graph. So it will show me the current position and current velocity of the object, and of course the graph of your of the cart, of how does it work. So for this, we do have a setup that we have also an angle indicator that indicates how much is it elevated from the ground. So first, let me press start. So from here, if I release the cart, so it will show you the current velocity and position of the cart, depending on how it behaves on this platform. So we can also change this. We can also add mga weights for it nga mas paspas siya move. So this is our run 1, and then for example this will be our run 2. Okay, so from there we will be able to determine, or it shows how the difference between the two, for example position and also the velocities of the cart with and without the weights that we have. So from there, so as you notice, our first trial is the violet, and our second trial is the blue. So this is how our graphs look like. So rather than doing it manually, this is a graphic paper, so we can directly do a screenshot or a screen record from your devices and then print it out, or you may copy it directly to your paper. So it will be depending on the current topics that you will be discussing all throughout forces and motion. Okay, and lastly, we do have another setup in which we let
After what I'm going to explain. So first, let's talk about the fulfillment and the fulfillment reactions. You'll be asked to put sodium hydroxide and ammonium chloride in each of the beakers and mix it with water and see what the reaction will be. And for this one, you'll be given litmus paper strips in order to identify if ever the different solutions there is, basic or acidic, and aside from that, we'll be able to get the
Og dinhi napitaw man na magpaniud to o adto na pod mi sa unsa tawag ato katong dako nila nga building dito niya. Dito pod mi nag-taking, so ako lang nagi-video no kay nakakuan mo kung lo diri man mi agi sa una o first time na ko diri nga agi dagan kay mi sa tanan yan nindot kay ilang building chuchu dayon ako lang ni ibalik og video bigay para na ako ikuan nga oh I'm here o kana po din ha na ilang dako sad nga building and naglakaw po mi same sad sa una niya ka sa before ko ni uli ato nga time niingon ko nga ay mobalik yun mi din niingon din ay mobalik kita din hibala na lag magkuan ta diri bisag unsa atong buhaton diri bisag balik kita diri basig magtudlo na ta mag-teach ta kwaon ta nila or something ingon ana balik kita diri uy kung natinuod bitaw na siya so yes natinuod jud siya no na abot gid ko diri sa for the second time around manifesting for the third time around for good or something kanang basin mag-educational trip lang gihapon ng ana so yeah so, grabe ka bugnaw jud kay nila diring ko ano ay naaday sila karoy ipasundayag pod nga daghan jud kay sila ipasundayag na ay ipakita pod nila ang ilang katawag i-mention kanina nga to ang mga panghitabo no so salamat guys sa pagtan-aw and of course keep on manifesting keep on claiming sa mga butang nga gusto nimong makabot kay puhon imo ra nang makabot together ni Lord. Thank you so much for watching everyone and have a great day ahead. Bye for now. Thank you so much. Bye.